Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2011 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive, 6.7 power stroke diesel. It's got 98,000 miles on it. It's a one-owner truck, come out of Texas, rust-free. It has a 5,000 pound IMT hydraulic crane, hydraulic outriggers on the back, VMAC engine driven air compressor. Pretty nice truck. Let's walk around and take a look at it. This is meant to put a welder on and then slide in and out of here. Probably had a Trailblazer or something like that on it. Door has a dent in it right here. Vise on the back. Air hose for your VMAC. Got a slide inside there, and this cover slides. Cover does slide all the way to the front. basic functions. Everything works like it should. Alright, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. You can actually call or text that line. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You'll be looking around $1.50 a mile to have this truck shipped to you. If you decide to go that route and ship, just know that we're dispatchers, so what we'll do is post it on our board and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama going to California or New York or wherever you're at, we want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out with it as soon as you pay. Normally, you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it can take a little longer. Sometimes we get them picked up immediately. Just depends on where you're located, weather, all that good stuff factors in. So just keep that in mind. I can't tell you an exact second someone's going to pick the truck up, the exact second they're going to pull up in your driveway. That's just unrealistic. But if you're one of those guys that's got to know that, the only way to know that is to come pick it up yourself in person, which you're obviously welcome to do. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. If you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. Please do not show up with a regular check. I won't be able to see the truck. It has to be certified funds. So no regular checks that's got your name on them. They have to be certified bank checks. All right, anyway, if you're interested in this truck, like I said, give me a call or text, 256-310-6852. Pretty nice truck. Obviously, it's a used, 13-year-old work truck with 100,000 miles. It's not perfect. Expect dings, scratches, dents. I try to point a lot of them out, but we, at the end of the day, it's a used truck, so you're buying it for a fifth of what a new one is. So anyways, if you're interested, give me a call. Thanks for watching.